This is Daylog. Today, I'm heading on a trip to Yosu. Some trips are about the destination, but this time, I simply wanted to head south. What does travel mean to you? For some, it may be rest, and for others, a quiet escape. To me, travel is a process of finding happiness. Nothing grand, just a moment to feel a little better than before. The air of unfamiliar places, the first sight of new scenery, and the emotions that quietly sink into those moments. Yosu during the day was quieter than I expected, and that silence slowed my thoughts. Above all, I love capturing those happy moments through photos and videos.
오, 여기 뭐야? 오, 대박. 오, 빨리.
When I hold a camera, I somehow become more present in the moment. Recording photos, recording videos, recording who I am right now. These records aren't meant to show something, but to return to someday. As the sun began to set, Yosu revealed a different face. People finishing their day, lights turning on, and the air slowly cooling. That is Daylog. Someone who records not the special moments, but the ones almost missed. From here, let's step into Daylog's journey together.